Replace a toilet handle carefully to avoid breaking parts or causing leaks. Start by shutting off the water supply and flushing to empty the tank, then place a towel on the bowl to protect the porcelain while you work. Remove the old handle by holding the inside nut with pliers and turning the handle from the exterior. If the nut is plastic, turn the handle instead to avoid stripping threads. Inspect the arm and lift chain for corrosion or stretching and replace any components that show wear, choosing a handle and arm that match the tank hole spacing and thickness. When fitting the new handle, feed the arm through the tank hole and loosely attach the nut by hand so you can adjust chain length before final tightening. Set chain slack so there is about 1/4 inch of free play between lift arm and flapper for a reliable seal and smooth flush, then snug the nut. Avoid over-tightening, especially on plastic hardware, to prevent cracking the tank or stripping threads. Turn the water back on slowly and perform 2 or 3 test flushes while watching for leaks around the handle and proper flapper seating, and if you see a leak, slightly loosen the nut, reposition the handle, and retighten carefully. Common mistakes include over-tightening the exterior nut, which can crack porcelain or strip plastic threads, so always hand start threads and tighten incrementally with a wrench only until snug. Another frequent issue is incorrect chain length causing incomplete flush or a running toilet. Fix this by adjusting chain so there is just a small amount of slack, roughly 1/4 inch, ensuring the flapper fully closes. A third concern is losing small parts or dropping the nut inside the tank, which can jam mechanisms and cause leaks. Keep all parts organized on a towel and retrieve any dropped items immediately, or swap in a universal repair kit if components are damaged. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find projects that match their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.